Decorators glass balusters are a brilliant compromise to easily expand your view while still allowing the gentle breeze to reach your space. Here's a guide on how to face mount and install Decorators glass balusters on the sides of your top and bottom rails. Always be sure to check your local building codes before installing. What's in the box? Frontier glass balusters, 20 rubber grommets, 20 1.5-inch installation screws. What you will need: tape measure, pencil, drill, square head drill bit, safety glasses. Optional, 2-inch support blocks, may be cut from rail material. Decorators rail connectors. With your top and bottom rails measured and cut to length, mount and attach them to the posts. Using a Decorators rail connector here will provide more stability and a cleaner look than the standard toe nailing method. Temporarily place 2-inch tall support blocks under the bottom rail. Use a tape measure and pencil to locate and mark the center of your rails. For this example, we will be installing 4 glass balusters in our railing section and spacing them 3 3/4 inches apart. Installing an even number of balusters means there will be an open space in the middle of the rail section. Center this open space by dividing your space in half and measuring that distance out from the center mark on each side. For this example, our spacing is 3 3/4 inch apart. Therefore, we will measure out 1 7/8 inches on each side and mark. This will ensure that the space is central on the rail. Continue marking every 7 3/4 inches out from the first marks. Use 4 of the included rubber grommets and installation screws to install. Starting at one end, center the glass baluster on the first mark. Drive the screw until the rubber grommet begins to mushroom. Be sure not to over-tighten the connection. Continue through, attaching all the balusters centered on their marks. Face mount glass balusters are a straightforward installation, perfect for completing a new railing or reviving an existing one. If you have any questions on finding the baluster count and spacing for your project, check out our video here or call 1-888-824-5316 and one of our experts will be ready to help. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.
Hi, I'm Diane and I'm with the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number below. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to receive DIY tips. DecksDirect, helping people build better decks.